Learn English and Indonesian conversation. At the train station. Going to the park. Telephoning. Going hometown. Looking for a hotel. It isn't always easy to find a job. At the train station. Di stasiun kereta api. Excuse me, is it the platform for Taksaka train passengers? Permisi, apakah ini peron untuk penumpang kereta Taksaka? Yes, it is. Taksaka train is on track 1. We wait for the train on this platform. Ya, benar. Kereta Taksaka di jalur 1. Kita nunggu di peron ini. Thank you. Are you taking this train too? Terima kasih. Apakah kamu naik kereta ini juga? Yes, I am. I always take Taksaka train if I go to Jogja. Ya, saya selalu naik kereta Taksaka kalau pergi ke Jogja. Well, it will be the first time for me to take the train in Indonesia. Ya, ini akan pertama kalinya untuk saya naik kereta api di Indonesia. Oh, by the way, what is your seat number? Oh, ngomong-ngomong, tempat dudukmu nomor berapa? My seat number is 9A carriage 5. I hope it will be window seat. Nomor tempat duduk saya 9A gerbong 5. Saya harap kursi dekat jendela. Well, I'm in carriage 4. I prefer aisle seat because if I sit near the window, sometimes I get a headache. Ya, saya di gerbong 4. Saya lebih suka tempat duduk yang tengah. Sebab kalau saya duduk di dekat jendela, kadang-kadang saya jadi pusing. It seems there are only few people taking this train. Kelihatannya hanya ada sedikit orang yang naik kereta ini. Yes, you are right. It is off-peak time, but in the peak time, usually the tickets are always sold out. Ya, kamu benar. Ini bukan waktu puncak, tapi di waktu puncak, biasanya tiket selalu terjual habis. So, when is the peak time? Jadi, kapan waktu puncaknya? Peak times usually in 10 days before and after Idul Fitri Day, and also several days before and after Christmas. Puncaknya biasanya di 10 hari sebelum dan sesudah hari Idul Fitri, dan beberapa hari sebelum dan sesudah Natal. The train will arrive in Jogja at 3 p.m. It's quite a long time, I think. Keretanya akan sampai di Jogja jam 3. Ini cukup lama menurut saya. Yes, it is. But don't worry, we can have lunch in a buffet car. Or we can order the food and eat in the seat. So, we don't need to go to buffet car. Ya, benar. Tapi jangan khawatir. Kita bisa makan siang di kereta makan, atau pesan makanan dan makan di tempat duduk. Jadi, kita tidak perlu pergi ke kereta makan. Look, is that Taksaka train coming? Lihat, apakah itu kereta Taksaka yang datang? Yes, it is. Let's get ready to get on. Enjoy your trip. Ya, benar. Mari siap-siap untuk naik. Selamat menikmati perjalanan. You too. Thank you. Kamu juga. Terima kasih. Going to the park. Pergi ke taman. Do you like going to the park? Apakah kamu suka pergi ke taman? Yes, I do. I go to the park once a week. Ya, saya suka. Saya pergi ke taman seminggu sekali. Is the park far from your house? Apakah tamannya jauh dari rumahmu? No, it isn't. It's only 15 minutes by motorcycle. Tidak, hanya 15 menit naik sepeda motor. With whom do you usually go there? Dengan siapa kamu biasanya pergi ke sana? I go there with my friends. Saya pergi ke sana dengan teman-teman saya. Are there many people in the park? Apakah banyak orang di taman? Yes, there are many old and young people in the park. Ya, ada banyak orang tua dan muda di taman. What do people do in the park? Apa yang orang-orang lakukan di taman? They can take pictures, play with their children, and some of them play guitars, and some of them just relax. Mereka bisa berfoto-foto, bermain dengan anak-anak mereka, dan beberapa dari mereka bermain gitar, dan beberapa dari mereka hanya bersantai. Can we bring some food to the park? Apakah kita boleh membawa makanan ke taman? Yes, we do. As long as we keep the place clean. Ya, boleh. Asalkan kita tetap menjaga kebersihan tempat. Telephoning. Hey, you finally answer your phone. What are you going to do tonight? Hey, kamu akhirnya jawab teleponmu. Kamu mau ngapain nanti malam? I'm sorry, I was studying before. I have a test tomorrow, so I will probably stay home and study. Maafin aku sedang belajar tadinya. Aku ada tes besok, jadi kemungkinan aku akan di rumah dan belajar. Are you kidding? It's Friday. A group of us are going to go out for dinner. Everyone will be there. You should come. Kamu bercanda. Ini hari Jumat. Grup kita akan pergi keluar makan malam. Setiap orang akan ada di sana. Kamu sebaiknya datang. What time are you going to meet everyone? Jam berapa kamu akan ketemuan? We are going to meet at the station at 9 p.m. Kita akan ketemuan di stasiun jam 9 malam. Okay. Maybe I will study until 8:30 and then will come to meet you. Okay. Mungkin aku akan belajar sampai jam 8.30 dan kemudian akan datang ketemu kamu. Great. We will wait for you in a bookstore beside the station. The station will be busy. Sip. Kita akan nunggu kamu di toko buku samping stasiun. Stasiunnya bakal ramai. Okay. I'm going to see you in the bookstore at 9 p.m. Okay. Aku akan temui di toko buku jam 9 malam. Going hometown. Pulang kampung. Atau mudik. When do you usually go hometown? Kapan kamu biasanya pulang ke kampung halaman? We go there on Idul Fitri holiday. Kami pergi ke sana di hari libur Idul Fitri. How long is Idul Fitri holiday? Berapa lama hari libur Idul Fitri? Usually 2 days before Idul Fitri Day and 2 days after. Biasanya 2 hari sebelum Hari Raya Idul Fitri dan 2 hari setelahnya. How long does it take from Jakarta to your hometown? Berapa lama ditempuh dari Jakarta ke kampung halamanmu? It takes about 7 hours by car from Jakarta to Purwokerto, our hometown. Makan waktu sekitar 7 jam naik mobil dari Jakarta ke Purwokerto, kota kampung halaman kami. What do you do in your hometown? Apa yang kamu lakukan di kampung halamanmu? We visit our parents and families and eat special food of our town. Kami mengunjungi orang tua kami dan family dan makan makanan khas kota kami. How many days do you stay in your hometown? Berapa hari kamu tinggal di kampung halamanmu? We usually stay in our hometown for 3 days. Kami biasanya menginap di kampung halaman kami selama 3 hari. Do you enjoy going hometown? Apakah kamu menikmati mudik? Of course, I do. Tentu saja. Looking for a hotel. Mencari hotel. Here is the hotel. Ini hotelnya. Good morning. Can I help you? Selamat pagi. Ada yang bisa saya bantu? Do you have any rooms available for this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday? Apakah ada kamar yang tersedia untuk hari Sabtu, Minggu, dan Senin ini? Unfortunately, our hotel rooms are full until the end of this month. Sayangnya, kamar hotel kami penuh sampai akhir bulan ini. Thank you for coming to our hotel. Terima kasih sudah datang ke hotel kami. There is another hotel near here. Ada satu hotel lagi yang lain dekat sini. What is the name of the hotel? Apa nama hotelnya? Acacia Hotel, the green one. Hotel Acacia, yang hijau. Thank you for the information. Terima kasih atas informasinya. Let's go to Acacia Hotel. Mari kita pergi ke Hotel Acacia. Is the hotel far from here? Apakah hotelnya jauh dari sini? Wait, let me check in Google Map. Sebentar, saya mau cek di Google Map. Okay, can you search the hotel in Google Map? Okay, kamu bisa cari hotelnya di Google Map? Yes, I can find it. The hotel is not far from here and we can walk. Ya, saya bisa menemukannya. Hotelnya tidak jauh dari sini dan kita bisa jalan. How long will it take if we walk there? Berapa lama kalau kita jalan ke sana? It will take about 10 minutes. Akan memakan waktu kira-kira 10 menit. Learn English and Bahasa Indonesia. Belajar bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. It isn't always easy to find a job. It isn't always easy to find a job. Tidak selalu mudah mencari pekerjaan. Hey Tina, how are you? Hi Tina, how are you? Hi Tina, apa kabarmu? Not so good. I've been trying to find a job for a long time, but until now, I haven't got any reply yet. Not so good. I've been trying to find a job for a long time, but until now, I haven't got any reply yet. Tidak begitu bagus. Saya sudah lama mencoba cari pekerjaan, tapi sampai sekarang saya belum dapat jawaban. That's pity. Have you tried looking online? That's pity. Have you tried looking online? Kasian. Apa kamu sudah coba nyari online? No, I haven't tried it. Is it complicated? No, I haven't tried it. Is it complicated? Belum. Saya belum nyoba. Apakah itu rumit? No, not at all. The trick is to find a good job site. No, not at all. The trick is to find a good job site. Tidak, tidak sama sekali. Triknya hanya mencari situs pekerjaan yang bagus. That sounds good. That sounds good. Itu kedengarannya bagus. Yes. Then, you just choose the category of work, the location, and the salary range, and the computer will find it. Yes, then you just choose the category of work, the location, and the salary range, and the computer will find it. Ya, lalu kamu hanya pilih kategori pekerjaan, lokasi, dan kisaran gaji, dan komputer akan mencarinya. Wow, that's amazing. I'll try it. Thanks. Wow, that's amazing. I'll try it. Thanks. Wow, itu hebat. Saya akan mencobanya. Terima kasih. By the way, what website I should visit if I want to search some jobs? By the way, what website I should visit if I want to search some jobs? Ngomong-ngomong, website apa yang sebaiknya saya kunjungi jika saya mau mencari pekerjaan? Try JobsDB or JobStreet. You can also click JobStreet Indonesia. If you are in Surabaya, try to click JobStreet Surabaya. Try JobsDB or JobStreet. You can also click JobStreet Indonesia. If you are in Surabaya, try to click JobStreet Surabaya. Cobalah JobsDB atau JobStreet. Kamu juga bisa klik JobStreet Indonesia. Jika kamu ada di Surabaya, coba klik JobStreet Surabaya.
Itu yang mana pun nggak?
I want to work in Dubai. I want to work in Dubai. Saya ingin kerja di Dubai. Just click Jobs in Dubai. Hopefully, you can find some positions you are looking for. Just click Jobs in Dubai. Hopefully, you can find some position you are looking for. Klik saja pekerjaan di Dubai. Semoga kamu bisa menemukan posisi yang sedang dicari. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih sudah menonton.